awake, I'm every moment that slipped. Slipped on by with every move I make. It bleeds from the scalpel, sutured and ripped. I'm made whole again, these bottles I tend to chug. Liquid the minute I make up the blinded and minded disrupted. It's my memories that have been corrupted. It's me. And I know I'll be around. If I'm lucky, I'm sorry, but you'll never stop until I reach my final breath. Can't you hear it in the sound?
They're putting me in the ground.
But it's gone, so we need to let our hands go down. I'm losing sight, ignore the heat, defend the lies. Living by the way of defeat by ignoring the siren sound. Cause I'm on borrowed time saving lives if I can. But that's not your entertainment. That's when I slip back into my heart's containment. My memories move into another arrangement.
I can't even save my own.
There are still moves under the music, but the last time I remember I could make a difference. Wait and see, you know I'm trying, but I always stop by some crazy interference.
And where do you think we would be now, if not for my determination, my sad attempt at dedication? Got me thinking of my need for that medication.
And here's some lines for you to make a memory. Remember, this is a moment of misery. Nights we shared laid out of your head. To hear about it, you won't do drugs again. You see how we're forgetting why it happened time and time over. That's why we never win. Cause we're like smashed guitars, like broken windows and several burning letters. We never go far. We have become the despised, living to be the regretters.
We take everything for granted.
This time to me next to rhyming my words, giving up, I'm short of breath, and they will all come out running too late. Never thought I'd live to see the day when I had nothing left to say.
I never thought this was gonna be our fate. And I know it's my fault, I burned our home down. I'm sorry, but you'll never stop. Can't you hear the sadness in my sound? Can you hear me gasping in the ground? And even though I can't see it, I know the sun is going down. Losing sight, you ignore the heat. Defend the lies that are our way of defeat. By ignoring the siren sound, on borrowed time, saving lives. It's got me living with my head in the ground. Cause I know what I did wrong, and every moment that slipped away. But with every move I make, I pray I'll be now, if not for my determination, my sad attempt at dedication. Got me thinking of my need for that medication.
Liquid the minute I wake up blinded and minded and disrupting the memories that have been corrupted.
Broken and disrupted.
It's me and I know I'll be around. I'm sorry, but you'll never stop until I reach my final breath. Can't you hear me gasping in the sound? It's gone, so we need to let our hands go down. Losing sight, you ignore the heat, defend the lies, living by way of defeat. Ignoring the siren sound, I'm living with my head inside the ground.
And where do you think we'd be right now, if not for my sad attempt at dedication? Maybe I wouldn't be on this medication.
You see, I know it's me and I'll be around. I'm sorry, but you'll never stop until I reach my final breath. I'm gasping, can't you hear the sound? We need to stop fighting, we need to let our hands go down. Why do we always ignore the warning of the siren sound?
And even though I can't see the sun,
And I know I felt it being your number one.
I know it's going down. Can't you hear the sadness in my sound? All I know is I'm sorry, but now I go to live inside the ground. And where do you think we'd be, if not all the spirit I had inside of me? My sad attempt at dedication. I had to have my medication.
we be if not what for me? Every time I told you I loved you, I meant every word. Why can't you say the same thing? Why can't you see that I'm already gasping cause I can't breathe? Cause they're burying me in the ground. Cause they're burying me in the ground. Why can't you hear me? Can't you hear me screaming? I see my eyes awake, I'm every moment to slip by with every move I make, it bleeds from the scalpel. I trip, sutured and made whole again. These bottles I tend to chug, liquid the minute I wake up, the blinded and minded, disrupted. It's my memories that have been corrupted. It's me, and I know I'll be around. I'm sorry, but you'll never stop until I reach my final breath. There's nothing left, but it's so gone, so we need to let our hands go down. To put me in the fucking ground. Losing sight, you ignore the heat, defend the lies, living by way of defeat, by ignoring the siren sound. It's a warning. On borrowed time, saving lives, you can't even save my own. I burned down my own fucking home. If I can, but that's not your entertainment. That's when I slip back into the heart's containment. My memories moving to another arrangement. The earth still moves under like the music with the last time I remember I could make a difference. Wait and see. You know I'm trying, but I always stop at some crazy fucking interference. And where do you think we'll go? Where do you think we'll be? My sad attempt at dedication got me thinking of my need for that medication. That's all I ever fucking wanted. I squandered everything. Here are some lines for you to make a memory. Remember, this is a moment of misery. Nights with shed laid out on your head to hear about it. You won't do drugs again. Yeah, I've heard it before, but I can't stop either. I'm halfway at the fucking door. You see, we are forgetting why it happened time and time and over. That's why we never win. Like smashed guitars, like broken windows and several burning letters. We have become the despised, living to be the regretters. It's you this time. That's why I write another rhyme in my world. I'm giving up, I'm short of breath, and it will come all running too late. There's nothing left. Can't you hear the sadness in my sound? Never thought I'd live to see the day when I had nothing left but being put in the fucking ground. I can't see the sun, but I know it's going down. If I had a do-over, I'd say fuck the drugs and the alcohol and the high just to survive. I'd be just fine next to you. At least then I'd still be alive.